Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix couldn't refresh feed problem on Instagram. Okay, first of all, if you have this problem, you have to check your internet connection. If you have bad internet connection, you can boost your signal by turning on your airplane mode for a while. You can go to your quick setting panel, and then you can turn on your airplane mode for a while. You can turn it on and you need to wait for a moment, and after that you just need to turn it up again. But if you have good internet connection, I recommend you to clear cache of your Instagram. You can go to your settings, click on the settings option, and here you have to select application setting. Click on this application setting and you need to select Instagram application to clear the cache of Instagram. Wait guys, okay, this is my Instagram application, and we can go to the storage option and click on clear cache. Okay, but if this method doesn't work on your phone, I recommend you to open your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you need to update your Instagram account. I mean your Instagram application. Okay, you just need to click on update, and after your Instagram has been updated, you can check it whether these tips work or not on your phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix couldn't refresh feed problem on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.